everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop, Chicago. We're here with one of our patients, Jim. Jim is a realtor, so he's on the move, particularly with the market we're dealing with right now. If you are interested in buying a house in the South Loop and or southwestern suburbs, Jim's your man. Works for Sotheby's, Jim Lawhard, look him up. He will make sure that he cracks a good deal for you.
That's right.
Jim originally came in with some headaches, just from being really pinned at work, sitting, standing, some upper back pain, some ankle pain. Jim loves to work out, so we're just going to get Jim going with a full spinal adjustment, focus on the upper cervicals, upper thoracics, then that left ankle. Let's get to it. How's your week been going, Jim?
Been good. No complaints.
Alright, so when we're at Advanced Health, kind of like to warm up the spine per se. So Jim's already been here 45 minutes, crushed his PT, done 2 tractions, so his adjustment. We're going to adjust upper thoracics. Jim's got a big shift in his neck, top bone to bottom bone, creates a lot of tension in his upper thoracics. There we go, Jim. Awesome. Jim moves really great. Jim's actually been seeing a chiropractor since you were a kid, right, Jim?
Yep.
Yeah, his mum and dad got it right. Jim's full spinal adjustment. You're gonna move this right hip. Stay there, Jim. Lay on your left side for me. Through. Nice job, Jim. This side for me. Nice job, Jim's moving awesome today. We're gonna do a little bit of soft tissue work on Jim's upper cervicals. You've got little muscles that anchor the skull to the top 2 vertebrae. They're called your suboccipitals. That means because they sit just below the occiput, which is kind of the base of your skull. Jim has a shift kind of top bone in front of the bottom bone, so it creates a lot of tension in this tissue. Jim was getting some headaches before he came in. No more headaches, right, Jim?
No.
Awesome. So all we're going to do is take that tissue through primary function, which is rotation in this portion of the spine. Treat that tissue. How do you feel after we did this on Monday, Jim?
Felt good.
Not too sore?
No.
Moves really well. We're going to adjust Jim's upper cervical, mid cervical, there we go. Then we're going to adjust Jim's ankle. How do you do after that soft tissue treatment, Jim?
Good. Good. Running good.
There we go. So Jim used to be suffering with some ankle kind of stiffness in the morning. His heel's starting to move really well. We're just doing some traction. That calcaneus, the heel's moving great. There we go. What we call the talus here. There we go. Start to move up. You're not really getting that clunking anymore, which is good. Just going to treat the soft tissue. Jim gets some discomfort right in the plantar fascia there. Whole idea of soft tissue treatment is just take the joint, the tissue through its intended range of motion, short to long. While we have the tissue under tension, cleans out all the adhesion, the scar tissue that forms in unhealthy tissue. There we go, then we're going to get the ankle adjusted. There we go. Nice job. Alright, Jim, well done. Alright guys, so that's obviously a full spinal adjustment focusing on cervical, thoracics, ankle. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell. If you're buying a house, Jim Lawhard Sotheby's is your man. If you see Instagram, Facebook, like, follow the page. See you in the next one.